Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you had a lovely weekend staying safe and that you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's just remind ourselves of our reading strategies. Remember, the ones that I want you to work on are your eagle eyes and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at pictures in the book to help with a word. And your stretchy snake is when you look at letters in a word and you stretch out the sounds and put them back together. You can use any of these reading strategies to help you. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Invade. Invade. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Invade. Invade. Fantastic, well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called When Animals Invade. Boys and girls, this is what your book will look like on Oxford Owl, and you all have access to this now. Let's have a read. Can you have a think about what kind of book this might be? Is it fiction or non-fiction? When Animals Invade. Animal invaders. Sometimes animals invade the places where we live. When animals invade, it can be a problem. Rabbits in Australia. In Australia, rabbits have invaded the land. Rabbits eat the plants that farmers grow. They eat the plants other animals need to eat, so other animals find it hard to live. Rabbits look cute, but when they invade, it's a problem. Polar bears in Canada. Every year, polar bears invade a town called Churchill in Canada. Over 1,000 polar bears go there looking for food. They empty rubbish bins. They can also attack people. Here are some polar bears near houses in Churchill. The polar bears live on Hudson Bay. When the ice melts, the polar bears go to Churchill. Monkeys in India. In India, monkeys live in the cities. They break into homes to steal food. Sometimes the monkeys attack people. Here are monkeys crossing a busy city, a road in a busy city. What other problems do you think monkeys can cause? Raccoons in Germany. In Germany, raccoons have invaded people's houses. The raccoons live in attics and cellars. They make lots of noise. They get into houses through cat flaps. They can open bins with their paws to steal food. They also eat plants that farmers grow. Raccoons look cute, but they are a pest in Germany. There were two raccoons in Germany in 1934, and now there are over 1 million. Rats in the UK. In the UK, rats have invaded some towns. They eat the food that we throw away, and they can spread diseases. There are the same number of rats as people in the UK. That's about 60 million. We make lots of rubbish. This means lots of rats. Human invaders. People invade animals' homes too. If the animals have no home, they may die out. We invade by chopping down too many trees where animals live. Humans destroy large areas where animals live, building towns and roads on the land where animals live. There are human invaders all over the world. Once you have finished reading the book, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it on your own. If you are struggling, you can listen to me read it, or down here there is the audio button where Oxford Owl will read it for you. So boys and girls, once you have finished reading, you should be onto your Kahoot. You can access Kahoot by typing kahoot.it into Google, or you can download it from the App Store. Your first quiz pin is 011593009. Press enter. Here is what your first quiz will look like. Don't forget that it is timed, so make sure you have your thinking caps on. To join the game, enter your name, press OK Go, and complete the quiz. Once you have finished, don't forget to send me or your class teacher a picture to show us that you've completed the work. Enjoy and have fun!